Hi, I'm English teacher Kebab, and I want to talk to you about how you can start speaking English today, even if you're a beginner. You know, many English students understand English, but they don't speak. And why? Why is that? Because they're afraid to make mistakes. They wait until their English is perfect. Guess what? You're not going to get better at English if you don't speak English. You learn by doing. You learn to speak by speaking. But English doesn't improve before speaking. English improves because of speaking. That means you need to practice. You need to learn to make mistakes. You need to get comfortable with making mistakes, because if you're making mistakes, it means you're learning. All right? You can talk to people at your home, your family, your friends, go to the grocery store, wherever. And if you're taking a class, you need to definitely speak in class. That's where you learn, but you practice outside of class. So start with simple sentences. For instance, I woke up at 6. I drank coffee. I went to work. And then you can make these sentences a little longer by doing it step by step. You can practice for 3 to 5 minutes each day. Speak, repeat, and improve. So, for example, I woke up at 6. That's a simple sentence. You can say, I woke up at 6 and I took a shower. I woke up at 6 and I took a shower, then I went to work. So build the sentence a little bit at a time. You don't have to remember it all at once. Just remember a little bit at a time. And once you understand it, you add a little more, and then a little more. I drank coffee. I drank coffee and I went to work. I drank coffee and I went to school. I went to work. It's a simple sentence, but you can say I went to work. I work in a grocery store. I work as an auto mechanic. I work as a cook. Build little parts of the sentence and put them together, just a little at a time. Do this for 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes every day. Speak, repeat, and improve. All right? So if you want to improve English, you can start speaking today. Don't wait. Just begin. Just start. Get comfortable with making mistakes. You'll get better if you practice. Have a good day.